every party will have difference of opinion. Therefore, difference of opinion is bound to be there in any democratic organizations. We will, for that only, this office is there to settle that differences. Okay.
United opposition will be reality for the Lok Sabha election this time.
We all hope that, brother, that we had the steps taken by Mallikarjun Kharge ji and Rahul ji to unite all the parties. With a lot of difficulties is that ground level we have lot of issues, particularly in Goa also. We have in ground level pressures are there. Therefore, we are taking efforts to unite all the India alliance parties, including Aam Aadmi Party, TMC, here in Goa, and we will be taking that effort forward also in the state level also, because national level, after the Bangalore summit, we all hope that thing, after naming of the alliance as India, we all believe that in Goa also this will we will be able to make that happen.
But it's compared to India's central political parties. There are regional political parties in Goa, two regional political parties there. Are you in touch with them, these regional parties?
Congress parties is working with some kind of issue based working relationship in the assembly. In assembly, the Congress party is working with different kind of parties on issue based. Whichever issue is coming, whatever the parties, there is a coordination happening. But whether it will become an electoral coordination or something, that I can't say now. Because in India level, we had in Parliament, we were been working on a issue-based coordination. Now we had come to an electoral part of it. We are all open for an electoral alliance in the national level. For in state level, time can only say how other parties also react. And Congress party is a party which is ready to make whatever sacrifices to make, and we are against the BJP RSS. We wanted to put an end to the rule of Modi Amit Shah. For that, Congress party is ready to work with all kind of friends.